Okay guys, right here I want to welcome you to my channel, Crafting My Way. And here I did lose a lot of footage on this video, but I did do enough that you guys can see what I was trying to do here. Now here I got one of the little square boxes I did get from the Dollar Tree, and I got the raised tracks from the Dollar Tree also, which could be found in their toy section. And right here I'm doing my little arches, and this is going to be like a lantern, or it could be has a tier tray, because you can put a candle in the center of it. You can do a fall decor, since this is the time of year that we're going into, but whatever you like you can. It was not a bad project. I did run into one small problem, and that's not allowing my glue to hold, so it ends up when I lifted it just popped right up. So I had to, like here, so I had to just put extra glue and kind of wait until it gets hard. You know, we learn, which I knew better. And if you want the permanent hold, you can also use, you know, your E6000 along with your hot glue. Here I choose to just use, for video's sake, just a hot glue for right now is all I use for this project here. And so you will see, and let me know guys in the comment, are you finding everything that you need from your local dollar store? The one that's near me never have anything that I need, so I have to go a little bit further to find. There's a lot of dollar stores next to me, which I'm not too far from me, I should say, that I can go pick up other things as needed. But I would love to see the one that's very close to me have a little bit more, but they don't. But I did get a lot of nice. This year they did really well as far as I'm concerned with the fall flowers. I really fell in love with those. But here I'm just adding extra glue so I can have more of a secure hold here. And I will glue a little bit, put a little glue to the top. I'm sorry, also, but to just get the extra glue to just hold there, and it end up holding really nice here. So I'm just going to add more glue and just let it to hold more securely. And I will add, it's holding nicely for me, and I add a little glue for extra security on the top here, and for extra hold purposes also. And be careful guys using and this is the paint. It's called, I got it from Home Depot, and it's called Coconut Chocolate and Coconut Brown, and it has a gloss to it that I really like. And I got this, I don't know whether, I forget the name of it, but it's you can use it for a cabinet or any furniture piece that you like. And I got it from Lowe's here that I have in my hand. I was trying to screw it to the top, but realized after much trying that it just was too short, so I ended up having to really actually glue it. Okay guys, I finally got the top on here. I don't know what you call it, I'm sorry. I call it a furniture piece, and I do go out and paint it with this Coconut Brown that I got from Home Depot. They have a beautiful gloss, and I really love how it turned out. Okay, so right here I have my little garland that I got from the Dollar Tree. As I said earlier, I did get a lot of nice fall floors from the Dollar Tree. They really had beautiful ones this year. So I'm going to add my candle, which I did get my candles from the flickering candles from Amazon, and I have that in my description below also, because I got they came in 18, and they had 2 small remotes with them, and I really like the way they have come out with putting them with my decor kind of twisted up there. And so I'm going to add, once I get this garland set, I'm going to, you know, add the candle in the center. Then I'm going to add some more of my flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and my ribbons. I got a lot of nice fall ribbons this year. I got some I ordered from Amazon, and I also got some from Hobby Lobby, and I got a few I picked up from the Dollar Tree, which they had very nice fall ribbons this year. And do you guys ever run into a problem with your Dollar Trees not having anything? I'm near a lot of Dollar Trees in my area, but the one that's closest to me, they're never in stock with anything. And here I'm showing you guys a lot of the fall ribbons that I've gotten. So I went to one that was not so close to my home that I found a lot of nice fall things that they was well stocked. And this ribbon here, I think I got it from Amazon, but I'm not sure. Could have been a Dollar Tree, but because Amazon had some very close, similar. The Dollar Tree had the same as Amazon did. So it came from either the Dollar Tree or Amazon. I'm not sure, which I'm going to have both listed in my description because I got ribbons from Amazon, from the Dollar Tree, and Hobby Lobby. But this one I think came from, could have been the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. It could have come from Amazon. So I'm sorry about that. You know, but they were beautiful fall ribbons. And and this one here, I know I got that one from the Dollar Tree. And so I've started to use a lot of the zip ties, which give me such a nice hold for my ribbons, and I can fluff them, you know, the way that I want to without worrying about them coming loose. I really been enjoying using the zip ties, and I did order some from Amazon, but I got a lot of them also from the Dollar Tree. I didn't realize they had any at the Dollar Tree, but I did get some from there. And here it just turned, and it does turn out nice for me. I'm just going to add my bow to the top, and it does come out really nice. And when I have it with the light on, it turns out really beautiful. So please, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so when I do another video, you guys will be notified. And here, this buffalo check ribbon, I got this one from, I was surprising enough, from the Dollar Tree, and I really like it a lot. So they came out, as I said, the project did come out nice. It's different, but I really like it. So I'm just going to use my zip ties on it and fluff it out, and then I will put it on my I think I ended up on this one using a larger zip tie because I got some really large ones from from the I'm sorry guys, from Amazon. It was kind of long, and so it does work for some projects like this one if I don't want to, you know, just use two different zip ties. Okay, and this is the finishing of my lantern. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.